We're live.
We are? Hi. Hi. Hi, I'm Paula Kinney, your favorite kitchen designer. And I'm here with Cassidy Kinney on another task, our Love Your Dorm session. So today we are in Cassidy's actual dorm at the University of Kentucky. So we want to talk about ways to maximize your storage space by taking measurements. So if you haven't gone to orientation yet, you definitely want to take a tape measure so you can look at your spaces and figure out where you're going to put things. So Cassidy was a little shocked to see how small the room was and thinking about condensing all of your stuff, right? Was that a bit of a shock? Even though you've seen the dorms, but you didn't see your actual dorm. This is your first day. So what do you think? You think you can do it?
I mean, yeah, I can.
Okay. So we just wanted to take a look at, so they have like a kitchen eating area. And here you'll have space for food storage. That's just probably like cleaning products or that kind of thing. More storage and goodies under there. But what we talked about was doing a unit here that would sit on the countertop with shelves that they could put their dishes on and cups and maybe some dry goods storage. And then here their dorm comes with a refrigerator and a freezer. There is that little cart we saw. You can put it underneath the fridge and it. Are you looking? And you can put it underneath the fridge and it holds food also. So that's a good way to kind of maximize this storage. It comes with the microwave also. So you can sit here and eat. This is where they shower and bathe, that kind of thing. So we talked about doing an over the toilet unit here so they can put like extra towels and soap, toiletries, that kind of thing. So we'll definitely maximize, again, we always talk about going vertically. Maximize the storage space here. It has built-in hooks because that was something I thought about. And then again, over the door hook, she has the option for that here too. So this is their sink area. So basically each young lady can kind of have their stuff on either side, so she can put some things here, or they can just choose. I would prefer if they put everything underneath. So here is where you want to kind of measure the space underneath to figure out what type of storage unit or organization unit you can put under there. Because if you have all this space and you don't utilize all of it, then it's kind of wasted space. So we want to measure and utilize every inch of this space. So you want to measure the width and the height so you can determine what type of unit you can get in there. And then they also have these drawers, which is good. And then another thing you want to do, just to keep it neat and not to damage, you want to find an insert that will go inside each drawer. And again, you want to measure that so you'll know what size insert you can put in the drawers. So let's go in the room and we'll talk about what you can do in there. Coming, Cass. So this is the actual room. Behind there's the closet space. So again, what they've already done, good thing for them, is they have
And Tempur-Pedic though, like what?
Oh, okay, yeah. Their mattresses, they get full size gel top Tempur-Pedic mattress, so it's a lot fancier than most. It is a full extra long mattress. So again, you want to find out what size mattresses you have in your dorm. Usually they're an extra long twin. So here they put, we talked about the other week raising the bed. They already have a built-in way to do that, and these drawers go underneath. So she can store those here, or she can take those apart and put them here. But what we'll do is we'll bring in a small chest of drawers to go here. And again, we're going to measure to see our maximum width. We probably don't want to be any larger than 30 inches, and then we can go a little taller than normal. So probably at least like 48 inches tall is what we can do here to maximize that space. Cassidy originally said she didn't want to keep the chair. We may or may not do something fancier. I don't know. What do you think? Is it okay?
No.
You can, no, okay.
I don't think so.
It's okay.
I prefer to have a fur chair.
Okay, so we are going to do something a little fancier with the chair, so we probably have to wheel it out and take it home and bring it back at the end of the school year. So she has these blinds. We talked about covering the windows so that she doesn't get sunlight when she's trying to nap. So again, in another one of our sessions, we'll show you how to put up curtains without damaging the walls. So again, you want to measure that, measure height, see what you want to do. We are doing but this is a little different. We'll move this over here. I don't know. We're gonna move this to the other side, I think. We're doing something different with the headboard, so that she wanted to do. So we'll measure all of that, and then in the closet, let's look at that space. So as you can see, she has all this vertical space here. So we're going to decide what we're going to do in terms of storage on top of the shelves, and then we have this floor space here. So again, we want to utilize every square inch. She has these doors that we can put the opener door hooks on, not a long one, but individual ones. So we'll utilize that space. And again, I think when we talked before about over the door hooks, she can do those right here too. So we want to utilize every inch. And then over here where Dad has his feet, you look her feet up, we have some additional storage space here. So we are going, I think it's too dark. Let's see. Yeah. So we have additional storage space here, so we're going to utilize that. So you will be able to see when we're done how we have utilized every square inch, because again, we're going from a pretty large bedroom at home to this space, and everything has to be in here. So that's what we want to do. So thank you for joining us for our Love Your Dorm session. Cassie didn't want to say much. Say bye hi to the people. But just key, take a tape measure. They actually had one here, which was nice. Take a tape measure, take notes, take pictures, think about how you're going to store everything. Think about using every inch, using up high, using down below. So space is, every square inch is up. It's major key. So thanks for joining us with University of Kentucky. Go Big Blue. And we'll see you next time. Actually, we'll be on later this week. We decided to put this session in between our consult with Cassidy's, one of her best friends, and her roommate to talk about how they're going to plan their space. So thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.